Hello, and welcome to this video guide on showing how to use ReportAway to report expenses to the DocSnaps online bookkeeping service. In this example, we're going to be capturing an expense from the native BlackBerry calendar application. We're going to be taking a picture of the receipt for that expense, and we're going to be sending it to DocSnaps. Let's get started. First, we open the calendar and we select the entry upon which we wish to report. In this case, we roll onto the item, press the menu key, and select Import Expense to ReportAway. That launches the ReportAway expense editor. The fields from the calendar entry have been pre-populated into the expense editor. In this case, it's a client lunch. ReportAway remembers that the last entry was also related to this LTE pilot project for Otterville Wireless. It also remembers the last amount that was entered. If that requires change, you would change it here. The date of the expense is taken from the calendar entry. The expense type is remembered from a previous entry. If this needs changing, you would simply select from a pick list. In this case, meals and entertainment is correct. The currency in this case is Canadian dollars, so we're going to change that. The payee is remembered from a previous expense entry, which happens to be this same restaurant, and the notes are taken from the calendar entry. Now the next step is to take a picture of the receipt to send to DocSnaps. We'll press the menu key and select Add a Picture. The Add a Picture menu item is only available on phones with a camera. Here we see the receipt and we take a picture. We exit. Now we wish to send this entry to the DocSnaps service. We simply press the menu key and select Send Item to DocSnaps. We get a warning that we're about to send an email. All the data from the entry has been put into the body of the email, and the email address has been pre-configured and set up from the options. We select Menu and Send, as you would with any email from the BlackBerry, and it gets sent. When we're finished, we press the Escape button and return to ReportAway. And the entry gets marked with an X beside the date, meaning that this is a reported item and therefore is no longer eligible for second reporting. That concludes this video guide on how to report expense entries to the DocSnaps online bookkeeping service. Thank you for watching.